How to add date, time and weather on home screen on Android. Firstly, go to your home screen and tap and hold on it. Now at the bottom you will see different options. Click on the option Widgets. After that you will see an interface like this. You will find widgets for every app possible. We need date and time, so look for the clock app. Everything is sorted out in alphabetical order. If you can't find any app, then you can go to the search bar at the top. Now click on the clock app and you will see different kind of widgets. Find the one that you like. Once you find the one, click and hold on that widget and you don't need to do anything else. It will just get added to your home screen. Now you can make it bigger by extending it. Let's go ahead and add our weather. Follow the same process and now find the weather app. This time I'm just gonna search for the weather app, and as you can see there are so many widgets available. Simply tap and hold on it and add to your home screen. You can also play with the size of this. If anytime you want to remove these, you simply need to tap and hold on them and select the remove option. That's all for today. Thank you.